And then if we go out in West Texas, there were only 24 properties in West Texas. So it's a pretty big area, right? So to buy the, like, I'll just give you an example. So like if I buy the Central Texas list, it's $313 a month. Okay. $313 a month. It's a bit of investment. As Steph likes to put, that's like a hotel night. It's a good dinner with family and friends on a celebratory dinner out somewhere nice. But the great thing that I love about this is these are all in Central Texas. Like they're where I'm at. I could drive by most of these. Some of them I can't, but the region is a little bit bigger than expected in a lot of cases. Okay. So the thing you got to keep in mind with that is it's going to be a lot of stuff. All right. But you have a foreclosure list of commercial stuff. All right. 129 in Central Texas, a very desirable place to be investing. Can we agree to that? Right. And one of the things I did is I immediately went and mapped the 129 assets so that I'd have a bit of an idea